May I remind you that trading is risky and not suitable for everyone. Your past performance, good or bad, is not necessarily indicative of future results. Please stay small, stay humble, focus on the long term, and never risk money you can afford to lose. Welcome to QuantBox Daily. Today is Wednesday, May 10th. This video is early. It's for tomorrow, but I'm doing it early because I'm not going to be here at the time when I normally post these videos. So what is QuantBox? QuantBox is your global macroeconomic quant-in-a-box. It's a fundamental tool that you can use to formulate a fundamental bias. Not even formulate, it gives you a fundamental bias, but you can then exercise in the markets using technical analysis. One week trials is 790. Awesome stuff. So let's jump on where we were. Let's jump back to where we were last time. We're speaking about the yen pairs and like potential weakness before we see strength. We're looking at price coming down here and then potentially heading all the way up there. And we also had price breaking up, pulling back, price breaking in, pulling back, a whole bunch of different things. Looks like price has definitely come down to the level we're looking at. Okay, you can see on the left-hand side, we've got support over there. Okay, so right now at Asia, you're looking for this to make a higher high, higher low. Okay, you can see right now, currently pushing up. You're looking for the 21 to be above the 55 and price to come back down to a roll reversal. Okay. In terms of your Swiss franc, Japanese yen, you can see we said either down there or the weekly M2, that has happened. So the same thing over here, you're looking for that higher high, higher low, 21 to be above the 55, price to come back down to roll reversal. No guarantees on any of these, friends. There never is. It's what you're looking for to verify the trade. The same thing with dollar yen coming down to weekly M2. You can see there M15, you're looking for a higher high, higher low. Price be 21 above the 55, price pull back down to a roll reversal. That's what you're looking for right now. No indication of that happening, but that's what you're paying attention to. With regards to Aussie USD, we were looking for a pullback to this resistance or that resistance. You can see price broke that resistance. And so on the lower time frame, you did not get the lower low, lower high you were looking for. You can see there, we're looking for price to pull back to resistance and be below the 21.55. And unfortunately, price broke above it, then broke below and didn't close the roll reversal. So you never would have sold that. Okay, cool. And we then have Aussie USD shooting back up and then coming down. Okay, really everything's all over the place at the moment. In terms of where we are right now on the Aussie USD, you can see they're currently still stuck in the range. However, let's clear that out. We can see, however, price failing to come down off the top of that range, price finding support over here. We can still continue looking for lower lows and lower highs, but the fact that price broke out and came back down and is now sitting at the support, I'm not a massive believer, so I'm going to leave that one alone. Then in terms of the euro dollar, we can see here euro dollar still sitting inside this range, euro dollar neutral on QuantBox. You can have a look and see over here, euro dollar coming through neutral in QuantBox. The only pair among the dollars that's really doing anything right now would be the, let's see, Aussie USD, which was bearish yesterday. Is it still bearish today? Yes, it is. Kiwi dollar coming through neutral. So Aussie USD being the only dollar pair currently showing any bias. The yen pair is currently neutral. Aussie yen neutral on, or buy on CAD yen. Euro yen neutral, Swiss franc, Japanese yen, we got strong buy. We currently have a signal, a trade plan set up for that. Pound yen, trade plan set up for that. No, not pound yen. And Kiwi yen coming through with a bias of, drum roll please. Just give it one moment. You can see there that we got a bit of a balance. So coming through neutral, it's taking a while to show. All right, cool. So we can see that we were not going to do anything with euro dollar. Pretty much right now, the only options we really have is what we've looked at. Our Swiss pairs currently looking like that. We're not doing anything with that. Everything else is pretty much the same. I mean, you guys have seen the markets right now, pretty chilled at the moment. So what I'm recommending is the watch list. Let's pay attention to these like we've been doing for the last 2 days. We got the first part of what we're looking for. Okay, price coming down to the support over here. Now we just need to confirm this on lower time frames. So what we can do now is simply say like higher high, looking for a higher high, higher low, 21 above 55, then verify on M5 and M1. And that verify means you're looking for everything to be bullish on the lower time frames. Okay. That's what we're looking for at the moment. I'm going to put this over here. Okay. So we're looking for this to come up, come down, and for us to verify that lower time frames across these three. Our Aussie dollar USD is out of commission. We're going to use those three over there. Okay. So I wanted to update this so you guys at least have, what's going on, what to do next. Well, at least I'm giving you my analysis of what, I'm not telling you what to do. There's not a signal service. I'm just giving you technical analysis of what, if you verify certain things, what could happen. But again, nothing's guaranteed on Forex. And of course, nothing's guaranteed on this channel because this is an educational service. We're not a signal provider. But if you go and you identify the price action on these pairs and you see those, then, do what you want with that information. Cool. So I thank you for your time. I remind you to be patient, be disciplined, and remain liquid. And I'll see you at the next session.